Hi folks, good morning. This is the unboxing of the Buzzaround Extreme EX four-wheel scooter. Again, this is the Buzzaround Extreme EX four-wheel scooter unboxing. So when you get your scooter, it'll be on a box like this. It should be sitting on a pallet. We already took the pallet out from under here. All you need is a good knife. Cut, as I said, a good knife. Cut these four out. The next thing you will do is you have a cover here. You have a little bit of tape here, a little bit of tape here. Pull it open. Be careful, these staples, when you do that, they're going to be opened. So this is real easy to cut your arm, real easy to hurt yourself. Take the staples out, do yourself a favor. They come right out, a pair of pliers. Take them out. So now we're going to open the box like this and like this. And to make it easy for you guys to see what I'm going to do right now, if I don't trip myself, I'm going to open the front up so you can see what I'm looking at inside the box. You may also want to do this because you're going to have to take the scooter out. So doing this right here helps you a lot, okay? So now you see what I'm looking inside the box. I'm just going to get rid of a couple of the things here. You have a basket here. So we're going to put our parts on the right side. You have a flag. You have two arms right here. There's one here. So you can see how everything comes out of the box very simply. You have a seat right here. Pull it straight out like this. Right here is your manual, your keys, and your charger, and your second set of colors for your seat, for your chair, for your scooter. We're going to put that there. And now we have the tiller right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this little off of here. Now you want to be careful if you use a sharp knife. You don't cut anything that you shouldn't be. So I'm going to take this foam out. I'm going to take this plastic off of here. Well, before I do that, let me take this there's a battery right here, you can see it. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unwrap it now so you can see it. There's the battery sitting right in this box. I'm going to pull one of the batteries out because you have two batteries. Battery is out. I'm back over here again. I'm going to take this plastic off from around the arm. Okay? Now, this is called the tiller right here, okay? So this tiller needs to go up so we can get everything out. On this scooter, you have a handle. Right here, you turn the handle. You can bring this tiller up and relock it. Here's the other battery. I'm going to take that battery out, put the battery over here. All right. Seat post. I'm going to take this plastic off of here. I want you to see the scooter. All right. That was pretty easy, folks, wasn't it? Pretty easy when you know what to do. So now this is what you should have left in here, okay? Now the scooter in here, you can see it's sitting on blocks. Well, they're cardboard blocks. So what I would do is I would grab the rear end right here. There's a handle, pull it over the blocks like this. And now the scooter is in drive, meaning it won't roll. I'm going to push the lever forward, see how it rolls? I'm just going to lift the front. And you notice how the wheel doesn't turn. Wow. Nothing wrong, folks. In front of these scooters, there's a little lever. You turn it, and it unlocks the wheel. That's there when you take the scooter apart and you want to put the tiller down. You don't want nothing to move. You can lock it right here, and that's how you do it. So now we have the scooter neutral. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the scooter out of the way. We're going to get rid of these boxes, and we'll be back in a couple seconds. Folks, here's what you should have right now. You should have all these pieces. You should have two battery packs, two battery boxes, You should have a basket with a phone holder. You should have 2 arms. You should have your charger in here with your keys, your owner's manual, which is over here now. I just put it in there. Your seat. You should have a flag, and you should have a seat post. I've already got the key in here now. So the next thing I'm going to do is, before I put anything together, I'm going to put the seat post on here. If you notice, the seat post has 3 holes. So you have 3 adjustments. You can adjust the seat height with 3 different adjustments. Okay? So what you're going to do now, you're going to take the boat out. I'm going to put it in the middle hole. So if you want it higher, go all the way to the last hole. But I'm going to put it in the middle hole. Put the pin back in. All right, so I'm in the middle hole now. The next thing I would do, before I put the seat on, I would put the batteries in. So I'm sure these batteries only go one way, so you can't really mess up. I'm going to drop this one in here. Now I'm going to drop this one. Now this one has the reset button right there for it. This is where your reset button is. Drop it in here. And I'm going to turn the key on, and we have power. Okay? Now why is it blinking? Why is it making that noise? Beep, beep, beep. It's making that noise because my scooter is still in neutral. Remember when I rolled it? So you're gonna have to pull this lever back. Now, it's still beeping. Well, folks, remember, even though you put it back in gear, the scooter still thinks it's in neutral. What you have to do, turn the key off, turn the key back on, the noise is gone. I have a lot of people calling me back when they take it apart and they take it out of their car and it's in drive, and they put the power and it's beeps. You just have to turn the power off, turn the power back on, make sure it's in gear. Now you can see it's in gear. We can go reverse, we can go forward. Next thing I would do next is take the seat. I usually like to fold it down like this so I can see what I'm doing. This is just a rubber protection. Stick it on the pole, turn the seat around. It's already locked, okay? Next thing you will do, you will slide your arms in. You see the pole right here? Now watch. The arm doesn't go in. You have to release this button here. This is your screw. You release it far enough. There you go. You can adjust the arm any width that you want. I'm going to put it close to the seat. Most people want the arms close to the seat. You're going to do the same thing with the other arm. You're going to unscrew the knob until you can get it in. There we go. And now I'm going to tighten it up. Tighten it up real tight. That way you have no play in the arms. I'm going to swivel the seat to show you. There it is. The next thing you have is your flag. On this company, with this company, Golden Technology, they always put you a spot right here for your flag. It's all the way at the end, right there, so your flag doesn't move. And you can have your flag on like this, or if you just want to put 1/2 in it, like that. Then you're going to take your basket. You're going to hook up your basket here in the bottom first, then slide it in. I'm going to take the charger here that's in this box. We're going to put that over here. So folks, this is the video in the Buzzaround Extreme EX 4-wheel scooter demonstration. How to take it out of the box and how to put it together once you have it out of the box. Hopefully this presentation was helpful. And if we'd like to have one of these, give us a call. We would love to help you. Thank you. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.